Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set custom ringtone. If you want to set custom ringtone in your Android phone, you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app, and here just scroll down and look for sounds and vibration. Here that, just tap on it. Now scroll down again, and here you just have to search for phone ringtone. So just tap on it. And here you have a lot of ringtones. You can customize or select the ringtone which you want. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.